We have to calculate the value of each of the assets under 2 clause EA. The total value will be forming part of your net wealth calculation. Value of jewelry, rule 18. Returned wealth. What do you mean by returned wealth? Just like return of income, we file return of wealth. As per the return of wealth, how much the assessee has declared. In the return of wealth, how much the assessee has disclosed or declared. That is returned wealth. Is return of wealth is less than or equal to 5 lakhs? If it is yes, this rule is given in which place? Schedule 3 of Wealth Tax Act. In return of wealth, how much value of jewelry we disclosed. That's what it means. Is ROW lesser than or equal to 5 lakhs? Yes. We have to ask one more question. FMV, fair market value as per assessing officer, AO, is greater than return of wealth plus 33.1%. If it is yes, refer to valuation officer. Reference will go to valuation officer. We have to ask one more question. If it is no, is fair market value as per assessing officer AO is greater than ROW plus 50,000 is greater than ROW plus 50,000. Again, if it is yes, it will go as a reference to valuation officer. 33.1% and 50,000, is it given in the rule? No, rule 18 it is not given. That is given in normal wealth tax rules. So if it is no, again value of jewelry equals value as per return of wealth. Value as per return of wealth. We have asked only in the first question, first part of the thing. What we have asked is ROW lesser than or equal to 5 lakhs. If it is greater than 5 lakhs, what will happen? If it is no, that is greater than 5 lakhs. Then in that case, you have to file along with the return a report from a registered valuer. Report of registered valuer. Along with the return, you have to file report of registered valuer. Here there is no further questions. We just ask only one question. Is FMV as per AO is greater than ROW value? If it is yes, it will go to valuation officer. If it is no, value of jewelry equals value as per ROW. Value as per ROW. On the top we have written, if it is no, that is greater than 5 lakhs, report of registered valuer is required as per AO. Now, is FMV as per AO is greater than ROWO? If it is yes, reference will go to valuation officer. If it is no, VOJ, value of jewelry, will be value as per return of wealth. Who is the valuation officer? Valuation officer is inside the department. He is an officer of the department who is specialist in valuation of properties, assets. Whereas who is a registered valuer? They are practitioners available in the open market. They are practitioners, just like a chartered accountant, just like a doctor, just like a ICT cost accountant. They have a separate institute also for that. They have a separate institute, valuers, registered valuers institute. Now, they are also practitioners. We have to get a report wherever return of wealth, value of jewelry in return of wealth, value of jewelry is greater than 5 lakhs. Along with the return of wealth, we have to compulsorily file value of jewelry taken by registered valuer. It is not enough. It is not enough. Suppose assessing officer feels that fair market value is greater than that, he can always refer to valuation officer. If you observe on the left side and right side, have a look into the chart. If you observe on the left side, there are some further conditions wherein we are asking 50,000 versus 33.13%. Correct? But in the right side of the chart, where it is greater than 5 lakhs, are we putting any further conditions? If fair market value is greater than return of wealth, you are straight away referring to valuation officer. Correct? Now, whenever you are preparing a chart, make it a compulsory point to write, expand the abbreviations and write. Done? Now, the moment I finish the question, many a time it has come for 6 marks. 4 marks, 3 marks, 6 marks.